Incredible Edibles is a healthy eating and growing project brought to you by Agri. The Incredible Edibles Healthy Eating Week is taking place between the 9th to the 15th of May. We are challenging you over the next 7 days to eat 7 fruit and vegetables a day. Some seasonal varieties available at the moment are cauliflower, tomatoes, and pak choi. Look for the Irish label on the package. Although fruit and vegetables should make up 50% of our plate, don't forget about a balanced diet. We must also include carbohydrates for energy. Protein is required to keep us full. Fruit and vegetables, carbohydrates and protein make up a balanced dinner plate. Join us for Healthy Eating Week from the 9th to the 15th of May.